Want to combine multiple PDFs into a single document on your Mac without extra software? macOS offers two built-in, free, and secure ways: the Preview app and the Files app. Preview is great for editing and reordering pages, while the Files app is faster for simple merges. We'll cover both methods, demonstrating how to merge PDFs quickly and efficiently using macOS 15 Ventura as of December 2025. These methods preserve formatting, images, and text, making them perfect for compiling reports, ebooks, or any document needing consolidation. Let's walk through using each app. Starting with the Preview app, open the first PDF in Preview. Then go to View menu and select Thumbnails. Drag and drop other PDFs into the thumbnail sidebar to insert their pages. You can reorder, rotate, or annotate pages before saving. Choose File menu and Export as PDF to save the combined document. Now for the Files app method. Select multiple PDFs in Finder. Right-click and choose Quick Actions, then Create PDF. This creates a single PDF from the selected files in the order they appear. Both apps utilize macOS's PDF Kit framework for reliable rendering. Preview is better for customization, while the Files app is faster for bulk, non-editing merges. As of macOS 15.1, minor refinements have been made to Preview's thumbnail view for more intuitive drag and drop.